gopis are addressing the Mother Bhumi, Bhumi Devi, Bhumata, and asking her if she's seen Krishna, because it's the beginning of the Rasa dance. They met Krishna, they were enjoying with Krishna. He detected pride in them, so he left them. And now in unison they're all searching for Krishna in this chapter. Kim te kritam shatitapo bata keshavangri sparshot savot pula kitanga ruher. I don't want any because I don't want. Raharvivasi apyangri sambhava uru krama vikramadva aho varaha vapusha parirambanena. Translation. This time we'll hear the translation of Srila Prabhupada. Chapter 30, verse 10, translation. The gopis then look down upon the ground upon which they are traversing, and they address the earth. Dear earthly planet, we do not know how many penances and austerities, tapa, you have undergone to be now living with the footprints of Sri Krishna upon you. You are very jolly. The hairs of your body are these jubilant trees and plants.